Well, we got a couple days of good riding, and then this stupid thing fell off. Let me show you what happened. So you can see on the lower belt cover, there's a little piece welded onto the swing arm that it goes onto. So up here, I guess this piece just broke off, and this flew off and tore up my belt a little bit underneath here. So I'm gonna have to deal with that. And it made my turn signals not work back here or on the dash up there. So I was checking the fuses to see if maybe somehow when this fell off, it came into contact with something and shorted something out, which one of the fuses is blown. But now I have to deal with this. It's not cool, man.